You came wanting your treasure. You came claiming your gold. But I was looking at the mountains, the mountains that once stole my soul. You lived so quietly that I couldn't say goodbye. Miles away, the step kept you thinking. If your gold could be mine, if your gold could be mine.